The house you're going to see today is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home with a fireplace. Yes, I know it's Florida. The fireplace is more cosmetic than anything else. It's located off Savage Boulevard, which is a wonderful location because people like that location because you're very close to tradition, but you don't have to pay those $600 a month HOA fees, nor the CDD bond. So my name is Jonathan BJ Hayes, local realtor in beautiful Port St Lucie, Florida. Thank you once again for returning back to the home of Port St Lucie Real Estate. As always, make sure you subscribe to the channel, share the videos, like the videos, and tell a friend about the wonderful things going on here in beautiful Port St Lucie, Florida. If you'd like to learn more about selling your home or buying a home here in beautiful Port St Lucie, Florida, all my information is below in the description. Feel free to give me a call or to text me for a free consultation about buying or selling a home. Let's take a look at this home. This home is being brought to you by Worthy Realty. This house has a wonderful fireplace, large volume ceilings in the living area, 10-foot flats everywhere else, a lot of light, fenced in vinyl backyard. It's wonderful. Welcome to your dream home. This light, bright, spacious 4-bedroom and 2-bath home comes with vaulted ceilings and is move-in ready. Large open kitchen with a nook, large master bedroom, comes with a walk-in closet, master bedroom with 2 spacious separate vanities and a jacuzzi tub. Enjoy privacy on your oversized porch in fully fenced backyard. Home is located near shopping centers, I-95 and the Turnpike. It's definitely a must-see. And as I said before, you are down the road from tradition, so you can enjoy everything tradition has to offer with no large HOA fee. All of that can be yours.